Okay.
My name is Anwar. I come from Kenya. I've My experience and background of education is mainly in the IT field. I came to Britco, Dubai to study mobile repair uh, for a period of 1 month. For the past 1 month, I've been taught a lot here, particularly with iPhones and Samsungs, and even the Chinese model phones. I learned the basics, starting from the capacitors and all those basics, and how to read schematics. All that I learned here through Britco's very good teachers. The staff here are also very friendly. Apart from the fundamentals, I also learned advanced training. I got advanced training in hardware and both software. I learned IC reballing, replacing eMMC, software flashing, and it's been a good journey. Uh, and I really appreciate Britco's service and dedication towards this. So thank you, and I will really recommend Britco. My future plans are I plan to open up my own place. So inshallah, for that even I hope for Britco's support. Thank you, and thank you.